All right, speaking exclusively to Group Editor Politics of Times Network Navika Kumar, member of Niti Aayog, Dr. V.K. Paul admitted that the ground situation in some states was not up to the mark, or rather disciplined ahead of the second wave. V.K. Paul called the second wave a collective failure and also attributed it to Delta variant. Let's listen.
Dr. Paul, I want to ask you, the second wave began with states like Maharashtra. From Maharashtra, it came, towards the center of Delhi. We saw Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Karnataka, the wave coming in that. You're talking about COVID-appropriate behavior and crowds gathering. Now, Maharashtra and Rajasthan had no elections. The elections were happening in West Bengal and Assam. But the wave was, second wave was growing in Maharashtra. The question is, why? Because the COVID-appropriate behavior was being sacrificed in the eastern part of the country. The second wave was beginning from the western part of the country. Doesn't seem to have a correlation with the basic theory of crowds creating this kind of multiplication of the virus. And therefore, I ask you the question once again. Did we fail in predicting the second wave in terms of its timing as well as its magnitude? And therefore, will we fail once again if and when the third wave comes? How have we learned from the second wave?
Well, you're talking about certain events which do create a situation for virus to transmit. But remember, in states that you're referring to, obviously there was a failure on the part of us as a whole for making sure that the virus transmission doesn't go out of control. The very fact that the pandemic was raging in a few states that you are referring to means that there were chains of transmission overwhelmingly going into tier 2 cities, tier 3 cities, and our containment efforts were not in tune with it. And of course, there were the situation on the ground in bazaars and in towns was not disciplined at all. So we created those situations and continue to have those situations, not just in these two states, because this ultimately was a nationwide wave. If a particular region or a population was more disciplined, it would have not entered there. The point remains that the pure dynamics of the pandemic are such that when these situations of susceptible hosts and opportunities for the virus come together, situation worsens. But remember, there was an X factor, and the X factor was that there was a variant which was smarter than the previous variant. It had a higher transmissibility. Today we understand that phenomenon much better, that yes, indeed, the Delta variant, and just before that preceded by the Alpha variant, originally found in UK, were those variants which were smarter than the classical virus, the original virus. So when that came in, the situation worsened.